Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert logo only from the last page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert logo only from the last page. Go to the last page. Click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the first section, press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple pages. Then click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages section, select none. Then check the all page and we can see here only available the letterhead only from the last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.